very good morning to all of you. So we have started with the revision of chapter number 9, rational numbers, as you can see on the board. So we were doing certain properties, or you can say certain tricks, certain definitions we have done, right? So one more property that we will discuss, I'm writing it on the board. So many properties of rational numbers we have discussed. They can be in the 1 mark question. They can be converted to the 1 mark question in exam. So be very careful. Whatever I'm writing on the board, whatever I'm telling you, be very, very careful about that, right? Better to note it side by side on your notebook, so that afterwards you should not search from here and there, that from where we have to study during the exam, right? So the next property of the rational numbers is that product of a rational number and its reciprocal is always equal to 1. Product of a rational number and its reciprocal is always equal to 1. I'm explaining it on this side. Just listen to me very carefully. Suppose I'm having a rational number 5 by 6. मेरे पास एक rational number है 5 by 6. I'm doing its product with its reciprocal. That means 6 by 5. What answer I'll get? Definitely I'm going to get 1. So whenever you do the product of a rational number with its reciprocal, your answer will always come out to be 1. आपका आंसर हमेशा 1 आएगा. Whenever you are doing the product of a rational number with its reciprocal, answer is always 1. You can see the explanation with the help of the example that I'm writing on the board, right? So this is one of the results that you have to remember for 1 mark question, right? As during revision, we have to do the practice of the different concepts we have learned. So instead of taking the questions from the book, that means calculated questions, calculations wale questions. Instead of taking it from the book, I would like to take it from the different book. Moreover, if some question is difficult in the book, that I will discuss definitely. Let us do some questions on the basis of exercise 9.1, right? Express. We are starting with some extra questions based on exercise 9.1. First question is express express 84 over minus 240 in standard form. Express 84 over minus 240 in standard form. Let us do the solution. 84 over minus 240. If I start cutting with the table of 2, I will be having 42 minus 120. So again the cutting is possible. Minus 21 over 60. Again the cutting is possible. Minus 7 by minus 3. If you are leaving the answer here, your half marks would be deducted. As I told you that in standard form, negative sign should be in the numerator. So you will write it like minus 7 by. This is to be written like minus 7 by 20. express it in the standard form. Now one question of the same kind, you will do it in your home, your practice notebook. I'm writing express 45 by minus 63 in the standard form. This you will do yourself. अपने पास statements note करते जाओ. Afterwards, these nowadays this will be your homework. That every type of question, one question I will write on the board that you will do yourself as homework of maths, right? So आज आपके homework में भी ये लिखा जाएगा. Do the questions related to the revision topic, right? Revised topic. So let us start with the second question. Subtract reciprocal of 5 from 5. Subtract reciprocal of 5 from 5. Let us do the solution. Reciprocal of 5 from 5. Hanji, SS brothers, what do you want to say?
यस मैम. मैम जो आप रिवीजन के होमवर्क सम्स दोगे वो रफ में करना है कि फेयर में करना है?
बच्चे, you can have your practice notebook, you can do it there.
Okay मैम.
Okay. Any problem, then next day you can ask, right? चलिए. Subtract reciprocal of 5 from 5. You know, from के बाद वाली चीज subtraction में always we write first. From 5, that means this. Minus reciprocal of 5. 1 by 5. Subtract reciprocal of 5 from 5. 5 में से उसका reciprocal subtract करना है. Now you know how to subtract by taking the LCM. 1 and 5 का LCM 5. 5 divided by 1 give you 5. Whatever answer you are getting, multiply with the numerator. This will be 5 into 5. Minus 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 multiplied by 1. This becomes 25 minus 1 by 5. And that is equal to 20. Homework question लिख लो. Add reciprocal of 7 by 8 to 2 by 9. Add reciprocal of 7 by 8 to 2 by 9. 2 by 9 में 7 by 8 का आपने reciprocal add करना. Add reciprocal of 7 by 8 to 2 by 9. Right? ये आपका homework होगा. That means this you will do yourself. On the basis of the question I will discuss in the class, one question will be given you as homework that you will do. Next question, question number 3. Express minus 5 over minus 9 as denominator. Express minus 5 over minus 9 as denominator. Hanji Harmeet, what do you want to ask?
मैम जो आपने होमवर्क दिया है, मैम जो आपने होमवर्क दिया मैम वो फेयर कॉपी में करना है?
नहीं, अपनी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक पे. ओके
ओके मैम. और मैम आपने जो होमवर्क में 7 ओवर क्या लिखा है? 7 ओवर
8
होमवर्क पार्ट में.
ओके. Harmeet Singh, is it okay?
Yes ma'am.
Express minus 5 over minus 9 as denominator 45. Solution देखो इसका, third question का. Solution third. Whatever number we are having, we are writing it like this only. We have to express the denominator as 45. हमें denominator 45 बनाना. You know, if negative sign is there in the numerator and denominator both, we can get them cancelled. So मैंने इसको cancel कर दिया सबसे पहले. because I need positive number, so मुझे negative sign की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, so I cancel. Sometimes we need a negative sign with the answer, then we keep it with us. But here we don't need, so I just get it cancelled. So you need to have denominator to be 45. You know, 9's table, up to which number we read it? 5. So we will
9 5s are 45.
and I told you that whatever will be done to the numerator, denominators, or at same will be done to the numerator. You know, when some notice of holiday is there, when you, those were the days when you used to come in the school. Some notice of holiday in the, you can say, फ्लोर कॉरिडोर आ जाए अगर, और हमारे कॉरिडोर में वो छुट्टी का नोटिस ना आए, तो क्या हो जाता था? ये क्या हुआ, बड़े बच्चों को छुट्टी कर दी, हमने छुट्टी नहीं की, हमें कितना हम हाइपर हो जाते थे. सेम वे, इफ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद द डिनोमिनेटर, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय द न्यूमरेटर. दिस इज 25, 45, 45 डिनोमिनेटर, दिस इज. चलिए, एक्सप्रेस क्वेश्चन होमवर्क. एक्सप्रेस -6/30, नहीं, -6 by, you can say, 32 as numerator 54, as numerator 54. चलो ये भी मैं एक करवा देती हूँ, फिर अगला आपको दूंगी. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एक्सप्रेस -6/32 as numerator 54. Yes, Devang, what do you want to ask?
मैम जैसे जो सा आपने थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन करवाया वो मैंने -9 इंटू -5 करके कर दिया, वो ठीक होगा ना मेथड?
कर सकते हैं, फिर ऊपर भी -5 से करोगे, सेम.
यस मैम, ऊपर -5 से.
यस कौरिश.
यस मैम, मेरा नेटवर्क इशू बहुत आ रहा था मैम. अपने होमवर्क जो होमवर्क पार्ट्स कौन से दिए हैं?
मैंने लिखा हुआ है, सेकंड का होमवर्क ये है, फर्स्ट का होमवर्क फर्स्ट के साथ लिखा था.
इसमें वो मैंने नोट कर लिया था.
ये सेकंड का होमवर्क है, ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन हमने डिस्कस किया, अभी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने लगे हैं.
ओके मैम.
थर्ड फोर्थ के बाद होमवर्क होगा. मैं होमवर्क नंबर डाल देती हूँ. पहला होमवर्क नंबर, दिस इज होमवर्क नंबर 2. ठीक है, अभी थर्ड होमवर्क नंबर.
ओके मैम.
चलो, एक्सप्रेस दिस एज न्यूमरेटर 54, सॉल्यूशन 4. So we are having -6/32 and we want to express numerator as 54. You know, 6 tables up to 9, it will give us 54. But we need if I multiply 6 by 9, I will get 54. -54. I need 54. So I have to multiply by -9. Upper B and niche. This will be minus plus 6 9 का 54. Plus minus, and this will be so I'm writing homework number 3. Homework number 3, first part, express -9 by 19 as denominator 3. Homework third का second part, express 7 by 17 as numerator 63. As numerator 63.
मैम आपने ऊपर -9 और 19 लिखा है?
हाँ जी, -9 by 19.
-9.
-9 by 19 as numerator 3. Right? So this is your third homework. It is containing 2 parts.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, आपने मैम लाइक एज न्यूमिनेटर 3 बोला है, लेकिन आपने वहां पे डिनोमिनेटर 3 लिखा है.
As denominator 57.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Right. Question number, I think 5th. Write two rational numbers. Write two rational numbers equivalent to minus 5 by 11. Write two rational numbers equivalent to minus 5 by 11. You know how to write first? Solution 5. How to write first? Minus 5 by 11 multiplied to numerator, denominator. Minus 10 by 22. Multiply 3 in the numerator and denominator. Minus 15 over 30. ठीक है? So your homework 4 will be homework 4. Write 3 rational numbers. Write 3 rational numbers equivalent to 6 by 29. Write 3 rational numbers equivalent to 6 by 29. Right? Next question. Question number 6. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Minus 8 by 9 or minus 2 by 3? Which one is greater? Yes, Jasmine.
मैम हमने 6 के नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ होमवर्क क्वेश्चन में?
Yes, Fasih, speak up once again.
मैम जो आपने होमवर्क क्वेश्चन दिया मैम उसके नीचे आपने 6 के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
ये तो होमवर्क क्वेश्चन 4 है, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है। 6 के नीचे 29। ओके मैम। So which one is greater? Let us see. You know, when we make the comparison will be made only when the denominators are the same. So first of all, our target is to make these denominator to be the same. हमने इन denominators को सबसे पहले same बनाना. Let me tell you how. So solution number 6. LCM of 9 and 3. This is going to be 9. We're getting it to be 9. So taking up the first number, making the denominator 9, already 9. No need to do any changes. Taking up the second number, minus 2 by 3. Making the denominator 9, multiply 3. Minus 6. Now you get the numbers like minus 8 by 9 and minus 6.
Minus 6 by 9 is bigger.
Right, now the denominators are the same and both are the negative numbers, and you know, out of the negative numbers, if the denominators are the same, Which one is greater? Smaller the number with negative sign, greater its value.
Value.
Right? It means minus 6 by 9 is greater than minus 8 by 9. So what you will write here? Minus 6 by 9 greater than minus 8 by 9. What is the original peak of minus 6 by 9? This is minus 2 by 3. Greater than
minus 2 by 3.
greater than minus 8 by 9. Okay? Write down one more question associated with it. Homework 5. Yes, Devang.
मैम होमवर्क कॉपीज भेज दे।
बेटे जो ये तो आपने अपनी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक पे करना है ना, जो हमारा सिलेबस खत्म है तो आई एम गिविंग यू द टाइम ऑफ 1 डे टुमारो यू कंप्लीट योर
मैम
नोटबुक।
वो कॉपी कह रहे हैं।
फिर
मैम कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज नहीं करना।
ये आपने अपनी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक पे करने हैं होमवर्क पार्ट्स, ठीक है?
मैम सिलेबस में कौन है कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज, वो नहीं करना हमने।
नहीं, दैट्स बीन डिलीटेड फ्रॉम द सिलेबस। इज इट
मैम एक
ओके?
बार डिलीटेड सिलेबस भेज देना ग्रुप में।
ओके, चलिए। सो आप कल का दिन ले लो एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो यू विल सेंड योर नोटबुक्स, राइट? होमवर्क 5, राइट डाउन which one is smaller, 7 by 9 or 5 by 6? Which one is smaller, 7 by 9 or 5 by 6? Right? Next, question number 7. Write the additive inverse. Write the additive inverse of 2 by 9. Write the additive inverse of 2 by 9. Solution. Additive inverse of 2 by 9 is equal to, you know, I told you the method. Whenever to find additive inverse, just change the sign. If plus sign is there, you will write minus. Additive inverse of 2 by 9 is minus 2 by 9. अब एक चीज याद रखना, अगर आप पेपर में ये नहीं लिखते हो, सीधा लिखाते हो 2 by 9 is minus 2 by 9, then it will be wrong, because 2 by 9 will never be equal to minus 2 by 9. It will be equal only then you are adding here additive inverse, right? So ये चीज ध्यान, right? So I'm giving you homework part, same homework 6. Write the additive inverse of minus 5 by 6. Write the additive inverse of minus 5 by 6. Right?
I'm 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
I'm 5 by 6.
Question number 8. Write multiplicative inverse of 7 by 6. Write multiplicative inverse of 7 by 6. It will be multiplicative, ये लिखना पड़ेगा साथ में, multiplicative inverse of 7 by 6. This is 6 by 7. Multiplicative inverse of 7 by 6 is equal to 6 by 7. Right? So उल्टा कर देते हैं multiplicative inverse में, homework number 7. Write multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3. Write multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3. ठीक है?
मैम minus 3 by 2.
हाँ जी,
मैम
Question number 9. Question number 9. What is the additive inverse of minus 15/7 minus 3/4? इसका पूरे का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? अब आपने एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है, जब भी आपको एडिटिव इनवर्स निकालना आएगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल सॉल्व इट. सॉल्व करने के बाद आप आंसर निकालोगे, राइट? सो लेट अस फर्स्टली सॉल्व इट. सॉल्यूशन 9 minus 15/7 minus 3/4. So first of all we will solve it. 3/14. So 14 will be the LCM. Minus 15 into 2, 3 into 1. This is minus 30 minus 3 over 40. Minus 33 over 40. First of all you will solve it. Therefore, additive inverse of given expression, additive
मैम वो 3/14 है.
हाँ जी 3/14. Additive inverse of given expression, ये minus 33/14 आया, इसको plus 33. First of all you will solve, then you will write the additive inverse. I am giving you one homework. Homework 8. What is multiplicative? What is multiplicative inverse of 6/7 into 5/9? 6/7 into 5/9. पहले सॉल्व कर लो, फिर रेसिप्रोकल लेना. ठीक है, पहले इसको सॉल्व करो, देन अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, दैट इज टू बी रेसिप्रोकल, नथिंग एल्स, जस्ट टू डू द रेसिप्रोकल, राइट? ओके गौरीश, इज इट
Yes,
ओके?
ma'am.
Tavia,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
next question, question number 10. Don't take the homework questions as burden. Whenever you feel like कि आज मैंने थोड़ी देर मैथ्स पढ़ना है, रिवीजन चल रही है, तो मैं हाफ एन आवर मैथ्स पढ़ूंगा या पढ़ूंगी, then you start on your practice copy, you take your practice copy and start solving these questions, right?
Okay, ma'am.
That will increase your confidence. Next question, question number 10. What is the reciprocal of minus 88 over 120 in the lowest term? In the lowest term. Lowest form, lowest term, lowest form. The lowest form. अब lowest form का मतलब standard form ही होता है. लिख लो, this is the another name for standard form. Lowest form is the another name of standard form, right?
मैम अगर सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म आता तो भी हमने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में निकालनी है ना?
Simplest form भी इसी का ही नेम है. 3 नेम है एक ही जगह. ठीक है बेटे, चलो राइट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, लोएस्ट फॉर्म, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, वन ऑफ द सेम थिंग. सॉल्यूशन नंबर 10. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट द रेसिप्रोकल. रेसिप्रोकल इज इक्वल टू minus 128 over 80. पहले रेसिप्रोकल निकाल लिया. Now we will convert it into standard form. That means we'll do its cutting. Let us do the cutting. 4 के टेबल पे करते हैं. 4 के टेबल पे reciprocal, and then the standard form.
Excuse me, मैम
हाँ जी बेटे बोलो, स्पीकर।
मैम जो आपने इन द लोएस्ट फॉर्म के नीचे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म,
बच्चे रिपीट योर डाउट, यू नॉट ऑडिबल, योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर रादर। हरमीत सिंह,
मैम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के नीचे आपने क्या लिखा है?
स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, सिंपलेस्ट
मैम जो आपने लोएस्ट फॉर्म,
सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, लोएस्ट फॉर्म कह दो, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कह दो, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म कह दो, पेपर में इसमें से कोई भी वर्ड लिखा आ जाए, यू विल डू द सेम। इज इट ओके?
यस मैम।
होमवर्क
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
ma'am.
9, होमवर्क क्वेश्चन 9। Find the multiplicative. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 18 by 3 plus 1. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 18 by 3 plus 1. So first step, what to do? First of all, solve it, right? After solving it, you will find the multiplicative inverse. सबसे पहले solve करोगे, then multiplicative inverse. Next question. Question number 11. Write a rational number. Write a rational number whose numerator is minus 7 into 3 and denominator is minus 5 into 16. देखो ध्यान से सोल्यूशन देखो इसका, न्यूमिरेटर minus 7 into 3, that is minus 21, right? Denominator minus 5 into 16, that is minus 80. Now the rational number, how we form it? Numerator over denominator. This is equal to minus 21 over minus 80. Minus minus cut, you are getting it to be 21 over. Right? So this is all about the today's lecture. So whatever homework I have given you, just do it on your practice copy, just to increase your confidence over the concept. Till then, take care. We'll meet tomorrow.